Hi guys, so I am back with another tutorial, and in this tutorial I am going to build a website which is right in front of you. So let's get started. We'll create an HTML boilerplate. Let me zoom it. So we will give it a title of website, and in this body section we'll create an image tag, and actually I am going to add here my logo, which you can add of yours whatever you like to add. So this is my logo, and I have just one more image which is saved as work, and I am going to use only this image. So you can find any of those images in free websites like pixabay.com. So I'll give it a class of brand logo, and then I will create another division with a class of header. So in this I am going to give my 4 navigation links. So I'll use here unordered list tag. In this unordered list I will create 4 anchor tags, and these 4 anchor tags I am going to make all 4 li tags which will hold the names of my navigation links. And then I am going to name them. Most of them is partners, the second one is gallery, the third one is documentation, and the fourth one is support. So now we will link our style sheet. It is really important. So my style sheet is named as master.css, so I will give it the name master.css in href. Then we will style our body element, and we'll give it a margin of about 0. We don't need to define any other quantity like pixels or percentage. If we are giving it 0, we'll give it a padding of 0. And then we are now styling our brand logo. So we'll give it which we give a class of brand logo dot brand logo. Now we'll give it a width of about 300 pixels and position absolute, and now we will give it a z index of about 2, and then we'll style the header class. We'll get a margin left 200 pixels, and then we'll get a position of absolute and a z index of 2, and then I'll give it a color black. Then we'll style the UL element, and we'll specify early style type as none, and then we'll style our list li element, and here we'll give it a font size of about 1 rem. And font weight as bold, and I'll give it a color. I have a hex code, it is hash 05386B, and then we'll display it in inline block, and we'll get a padding about 50 pixels in each of them in my navigation links. And now we are done. Let's see what. So we have now our logo and all these navigation links, but we actually need to add some hover effects to these links, so we'll use this li tag and this hover property with a hover. We'll give it a color. Actually, when we will hover those links, it will show it in color, in white color, and then we'll get a transition of about half a second, which is equal to 0.5 second at ease. Ease means slowly. It will transist it very slowly. So now let's hit save and see. Yes, the links are working. Its hover property is working actually. So now we are actually going to have some social media links on our web page. So these links would be like this. We are going to use some icons. So we'll head back to index.html and we will create another division and give it a class of header 2, because it is also a part of our header. So I will specify here 4 anchor tags like I did before. I'll copy, paste. So now I am going to paste here icons, and those icons I am using a website which is Fonts.sm, so you can choose any of those icons from here. And the embed link I will provide in the description. So from here icons, I am going to search Twitter. So I got this icon down here, so I will open it. So this is the link, and we will click on it and we will copy this link, and now it is shown copied. We'll paste these links here. One YouTube link, YouTube, copy this link and we'll paste it here. Then we will search for Facebook, and this is the icon. We'll copy this link, we'll paste it again there. And here in the last we will write here contacts. We are not actually going to paste any other links here. So we'll give all of these anchor tags class of social links. So actually to make these icons work, we need to embed here the code, a script code. So I will comment here Fonts.sm script, and I will provide the link in the description, so don't worry about that. You just have to embed it, embed the code here inside the head tag so that you can use all those. So I pasted it here, the above script, sorry, link in I will provide in description. So now let's move on. We will comment it. So now let's check this. So we got all these social media icons, all three here. So I will style this in this master.css and we'll target the header to class, position absolute from right 80 pixels, from top about 20 pixels, 20, and then we'll give it as index of 2 and padding between all these links about 10 pixels, and then I will target the class of social links which I gave to the anchor tags, and we'll get a padding of 10 pixels. We'll get a color black, and now we will add some hover effects to our icons. So actually see, these all icons are now at the top right corner of our page, and but these don't have any hover effects. So we'll move back to our master.css file and add some hover effects to these links. So we'll again target the social links, and then we use the hover property. We'll give it a color white, transition about 0.5 seconds ease. So now let's hit save. Let's check this. So now we have a good hover effects. So now we are going to add this main heading, which is in white color over our website. So we will create another division and we'll give it a class of div1, and here we'll get a paragraph tag, and we'll write the line in this between these paragraphs, and we'll give this paragraph a class of main heading so that we can target this into our master.css. So wanna work from home, question mark. So now we will check this. Yes, we got this line, but we want it in this middle and we want some another font style, so we'll style it in master.css. We'll target our main heading class, main heading, and now before providing anything other styles to this, I would like to add a good font to it. So this is the font right, yes, on Google Fonts you can search it. So click on this font, and here there is a select this style. We'll select and we'll go to embed, and we'll copy this link, and this link we are going to paste into the head tag. So I am going to comment again here Google Fonts so that it makes my code really clear. to understand. So I'll paste here the link, embed link. So now I'll go back to the website and I will copy this font family and I'll just paste it in this targeted main heading. Font family is right, yes. So now we'll give it a font size of about 8 rem. Give it a position absolute and justify its Z index as 2. And then from top we'll give it about 120 pixels and from left about 250 pixels. That would be fine. And font weight to be bold. Now we will justify the color also of our main heading, and this is a hex code #EDF5E1. so let's hit save and let's check this out. We'll refresh. Okay, wanna work from home, so it is displayed over here. So now we are going to work over the background of our website. So now again another div with a class div2. And in this we are going to give another image tag, and here I am going to use my work.png and I will give it a class 2 so that we can style it separately. Work img. We'll go to master.css and target division 2 div2. So margin top 30 pixels and text align center, position absolute, and we'll justify its Z index as 0. And now we are going to target our work img. This class I gave to the image, so I'll give it a width of 60% and then a height of 60%. And then I will define its opacity as 0.5. We'll hit save and now let's check. Refresh as we got the image at the background, so it looks pretty good. And now we'll create another division and we will give this division a class of div3, and we are going to leave it empty only. We are not going to enter anything, so I'm writing here leave it empty and I'm comment this line. Go to master.css and we'll target this division which has a class of div3. And now background color, I have a hex code which is #5CDB95, and we'll justify its height about 900 pixels. And position relative, we will give it a position relative so that it comes over all of them. And opacity we'll provide it 0.7. We'll hit save and we'll just refresh. Now we got that beautiful background too, and these hover effects too, and these links too. So thanks for watching. But wait, we have something left. I think it's the button. Yes. So before we will use here Bootstrap. So we'll go to Bootstrap and we'll click on Get Started. So here is the CSS and JS links. We'll copy this CSS link and paste it to our HTML document. We'll paste it, but I will again comment here Bootstrap so that my code is will be easy for me to read if I will ever come back here. We'll paste the CSS link, style sheet link here. Actually, we are embedding the Bootstrap into our website. We are not using custom Bootstrap. So now we will copy the JavaScript link too. Actually, it is not needed in the case of button, but I am pasting it still. So after pasting this, we'll head back to Bootstrap website and we'll search for buttons in the above search box, buttons, and then it will quickly show us different kinds of buttons. So we'll move down, and I just want to use this large button, so I'm going to copy this code from here, copy, and then I'm going to paste it in this division 2 below this image tag, sorry, division 1. I'll paste it here, and now I'll change this large button text to apply one. So right here apply and an exclamation mark. And save, and we'll target here our button class .btn, which is already defined by the Bootstrap, but we will add something different. We want to align this at down of our heading, so we'll get a position of absolute and z index of 2, and top, from top we'll define 550 pixels, and left we'll give 250 pixels. We'll hit save. Let's see, does it work? Yes, now it works. So thank you for watching this video, and if you want any other part of it, as if you want me to design it for mobile, so you can tell me in the comment sections. Thank you.
Oh my God!